Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Claude AI to Canva. To get started, open Claude and go to the New Chat page. This is a good starting point because it gives you access to the main workspace along with your account and settings options. Once the page is loaded, look toward the bottom left area of the screen and click on your account menu. This is where Claude keeps account-related options, including personalization, preferences, and integrations. After opening the account menu, click on Settings. In the Settings area, you'll find different sections that control how Claude works with your account and other tools. For this setup, the section you need is called Connectors. Go ahead and click on Connectors to continue. Inside the Connectors section, move to the top right corner and click Add. This opens the process for adding a new connection to Claude. From there, select Browse Connectors. This will show you the available services that can be linked. Next, use the search field and type Canva. Searching helps narrow the list quickly, especially if there are several connector options visible. Once Canva appears in the results, click on Canva to open its connector page. On the Canva connector page, click the Connect button or any available button that starts the connection process. After that, simply follow the on-screen procedure to complete the setup. Depending on your account status, you may be asked to review permissions or confirm access before the connection is finalized. Read each screen carefully so you understand what is being connected and what access is being granted. As you go through the prompts, make sure you stay in the same browser window unless the setup opens a secure sign-in or authorization page. If it does, complete the requested action and then return to Claude when prompted. Once finished, the connector should appear in your connected services list, which lets you know the setup was successful. If you do not see Canva right away after searching, double-check the spelling and make sure you are in the Browse Connectors view. And if the Connect button does not appear immediately, give the page a moment to fully load. That's all there is to it. You've now gone through the process of connecting Claude AI to Canva, making it easier to use both tools together within your workflow.